guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have products to use for November by Stylevana. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So these products arrived by Stylevana for me to use for November 2023. Stylevana did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, Stylevana literally can be your one-stop shopping for anything and everything K-beauty and J-beauty related. They literally have it all. You can shop with them being rest assured that you're going to have everything sent to you that's authentic. There's no issues, and they ship super fast. They also have my own discount code, which is INF10 SheCrafty, and that will get you 10 to 15% off depending on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout, but guaranteed 10, at the most 15 if you go over that threshold, which I think is like $59 or something like that. But either way, 10 to 15% off you will get on their normal low prices that they have as well. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what this month is going to bring. This box is large and in charge, so I'm so excited to see what I'm going to be testing out for this month. They always take care of all of their products. Like, they package everything so well, so nothing's even going to come damaged or broken or anything like that, because they spend so much time in packaging and taking care of all of their products. So let's go ahead and see what is all. Ooh. Oh my goodness, you guys, there's like, it is jam-packed in here. So let's get all these products out. See, they even protected this one in here as well. Okay, holy moly, look at all of this. Okay, so let's go ahead and just start. The first thing that was in my hand, this says, this is a vitamin A amazing night cream. Ooh, and I love a night cream. As long as we don't have to wipe it off in the morning or wash it off in the morning. Let's see. This is to help revitalize and smooth out uneven skin textures. Apply more than one layer to areas that need intensive care. Directions. After cleansing in the evening, apply an adequate amount during the cream step. And that is it. So you do not wash it off. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just love when I can just put something on my face, go to bed, and not have to worrying about anything in the morning. That's a cute little package. And there's that. So I'm so excited to try that out. I love a good night cream, especially a cream. That's what I like to use most. I love a good cream. So there's the night cream. Now we have is a vitamin C brightening sun serum. Wait a minute. This is a sun serum, you guys. Listen to this. It actually has SPF 50 plus, PA plus. Like, have you ever seen a serum that has an SPF in it? I haven't. That's amazing, because if you don't want to always remember to take sunscreen with you, if you have your serum that already has it in there, you're protected while you're wearing your serum. That is amazing. Like, it's the little things for me, you guys. I've never seen a serum that has SPF in it, and I'm really excited. And it has vitamin C. I mean, come on. Ooh, that is cute packaging. Look at that. This is a serum. Let's see. Yep. And it comes out that way. Let's see this, because I'm super, ooh, and it just said like one little, I've never seen anything like that before. It kind of smells like a nice, like citrusy, clean kind of scent to it. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. Plus that is super cute of a package. That is just so cute. I'm super impressed with that product. Now we have is a Metacube Zero Pore Pad 2.0. It says it's for all skin types. There's 70 pads inside. Now for this one, it says directions. After washing your face, use embossed side of the pad to gently wipe facial skin from center to outwards as a first step in skincare. Use the opposite side of the pad to wipe facial skin once more. Then gently pat to absorb any extra toner on the face. So these are toner pads then. Okay, because it didn't say like what kind of pads they were. They just say zero pore pads. So they're toner pads. I honestly love a good toner pad because then you just, like I said, you use the pad and then you toss it. There's nothing to like wash or clean or buy or rebuy, you know, for your own little cotton rounds or anything. It's already in here and ready to go for you. They're super, super easy and very convenient. So I like that. So once we pull out the package, ooh, I like that dark blue too. It even comes with a lid with the little tong, so you can get your pads out. I'm always like literally fresh out of the shower, so I don't mind dipping my own fingers in there. Plus I'm the only one that uses my stuff. Ooh, that's a different little, like how you open it. Look, it says open, you pull it up. Okay, so then it pulls. Okay, that is neat. I wish more people actually designed a lid like this because that made it super easy to actually remove the top. Huh. I don't really have a whole lot of scent in there. It smells like nice and clean. But then here are all of the different pads. Yes, my hands are not clean right now, but I just pulled the top one off to show you. So there are the toner pads. So one side is more like scrub-a-dubby, and then the other one is nice and soft. So you use this side first, and then you flip it and reverse it, and you use this side. That is actually really nice. I love a toner because I use a toner every single day. So I like having different ways, like if it's the liquid or the pads, that kind of thing. So that is really, really neat. So up next, we have this guy here, and it says clear code Superfruit Serum, Target Plus Balance. Ooh, this is by Porito. I love that brand, and I've never used this product, so I'm so excited. So there is your Superfruit Serum. After cleansing and toning, dispense 2 to 3 drops onto the palm of your hands and spread over your face and neck. Gently pat to aid absorption. So simple and easy, like any serum. I'm really excited to use that though, because I don't know if I've used a serum. Definitely not the Superfruit Serum by that brand. So I'm really, really excited about that. Okay. Now we have is by iUNIK, which that's another one of my amazing brands. And this is the Cantella Calming Daily Sunscreen. I really love the Cantella Calming Face Moisturizer because if I'm out in the sun, I have overexposure. Like I like to use that because it's calming and it feels really nice on my skin. This one is a daily sunscreen. So that is awesome. I love a good sunscreen. I always tell you guys we need to protect our skin from the sun. Skin cancer runs in my family like really, really high. So I'm always trying to say, protect your skin. Start your kids off, like put them in their backpack. So if they're at school or they're playing at recess, put sunscreen on, especially here in Florida. This sun is very, very strong. So here's the sunscreen. I love that size. It says it's SPF 50 plus, PA+++++. And again, I love that brand and I love the Cantella Calming product line that they have. So I know I'm going to love that sunscreen. So there is that. Now we have, it says Red Foam Cleanser and it is by Medicube, just the same as, wasn't it this one? Yes, so these are the same brand. So that is what the package looks like. And it says directions, squeeze an appropriate amount onto the palm. Create a lather by rubbing and mixing with water. Apply and massage gently on the face. Rinse off with lukewarm water. So just like any normal cleanser. I like to use this as my second step because I use a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil, which I prefer the cleansing balm first. And then I use an actual cleanser afterwards. So that would be my step 2 on my double cleanse. So I'm super excited about that. Now we have is the Vegan Tea Essence. Ooh, I think I have used this product before and I really did enjoy it. I think it kind of looks like a milk inside, or yes, yes, that is what it looks like. You got to shake it up, shake it up. This is a vegan cream essence formulated with extracts, a fermented black tea, refining skin for healthy complexion and providing hydration. Directions, shake well before use, apply over the cleansed face and gently pat to absorb. So there's that. You put this one on before your normal, like after you cleanse and tone, Then you put this on and then whatever skincare routine that you would like to do. But I'm so excited to have that again because yes, now that I see the product, I remember it and I really did love it. Now we have one more product that is down inside of here. And if I remember correctly, they were saying that there was like a PR or some kind of a package that they were going to send this month too. So that must be this, and it's by iUNIK, which I absolutely love. So I'm so excited. So let me remove this plastic. Oh, there's a thank you card. It says your skin knows best. iUNIK. And it says be natural, be beautiful, be you. And it's like a little thank you card that you can use. See? And then down in here is something else. I think this is a bag. So be natural, be beautiful, be you, and then iUNIK. And then it has a handle here, which is really different. You have your pull string here, and then you can hold it by this little handle, which is so cute and different. So you can use this little bag for anything. And there's a little mirror in here. Be natural, be beautiful, be you. And then it has the mirror. That is super cute. And it comes down in this little thing here. So let's see what's in here. And it opens, it's a magnetic box. And then it comes down with these 3 products. This one here is the cleansing oil. What did I tell you earlier? Cleansing oil or a cleansing balm would start the first step of the double cleansing. This one actually I really do love to use because this one actually is not very oily. I personally don't prefer like oil-based products. It's just something that's been in here since I've been a little kid. I just don't really like oily products, I just don't like. But this one, however, doesn't feel like oily when it's on my face. So I actually really do enjoy the iUNIK cleansing oil versus anybody else's. So here is the complete cleansing oil, 94% plant oil, deep cleansing for all skin types. It is a mild and complete cleansing oil made out of skin-friendly plant oils that deeply cleanses heavy makeup and skin wastes. It gives fresh and moist skin after cleansing. So how to use? Pump 3 to 4 times of this cleansing oil into dry palms. Gently massage over dry face in order of forehead, nose, and cheeks. After massaging, don't wipe off with the tissue, but rinse off with lukewarm water 2 to 3 times. What I do is after I put it on, I just put some water on my hands and kind of run it through and then rinse everything off. But this stuff breaks down all of your makeup and it is perfect for your first step of your double cleanse. So you have that. And then, ooh, is this the same as this one here? Daily Calming. Yes, it is the same exact sunscreen that was in here. So I'm going to put this in a future giveaway so you guys can enjoy it as well because I'll have 2 of them I can share with you guys. But again, here are 2 different of the same product. This is the Cantella Calming Daily Sunscreen that came in this kit. And then what also came in here is the Cantella Calming Gel Cream. This is the one that I was saying earlier that I use when my face is all like bright red from being out and over sun exposure. I use this and it kind of helps calm my face and it just feels really, really nice. So this is that product that I was telling you about. And I absolutely love this stuff. You can put it on your clean face any time of the day. It just helps my skin feel nice and calm and just doesn't make it so red and all of that. So I really, really love this stuff. So that is what is in this really cool kit. That was so neat that they sent this to me to show you guys. You have your sunscreen to protect your skin. You have your cleanser and then your calming cream. This is an amazing kit right here. Plus it came with the mirror and the bag too. That's awesome that they sent this to me as well to show you guys. So all of this products was for me to use for November. We have this kit with the 3 different products, which is absolutely amazing. You have the sunscreen. We have the essence. There is the toner pads, the foam cleanser. You have the serum with SPF that I have never seen before. You have the night cream, which I'm super excited about. And then you have the Superfruit Serum. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything that they had sent for me to use for November. What do you think of all of these products? What do you think of Stylevana? Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. I'm loving all of these products. Again, I love Porito and I love iUNIK. So those are one of my top favorite brands. So I'm so excited to see all of these products. I'm really, really excited about the serum with sunscreen in it. And I can't wait to try this night cream. So I'm really, really excited. Again, you can use my code INF10 SheCrafty to save 10 to 15% off depending on how much is accumulated in your cart. They will all be linked down below with all of these products too. If you wanted to just check out any of these products, they will all be linked down below to help you go straight to it. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.